Were Indian security agencies planning to kill Khalistani terrorist Gurpantwant Singh Pannun in New York? Well, American law enforcement agencies seem to think so. The US Justice Department has filed charges against an Indian national for plotting to kill Pannun on American soil. Now, Pannun, remember, is a dual American-Canadian citizen. The US indictment says that a man called Nikhil Gupta was handled by an Indian government official. Essentially, the charge is that an Indian agent orchestrated the plot to kill Pannun. The agent, identified as CC1, has not been named in the charge sheet. But the charge sheet also states that Nikhil in turn recruited a hitman who was supposed to do the job for $1 lakh. But then it actually turned out that the hitman was actually an undercover US officer. Now, there's another twist to this story. 52-year-old Nikhil Gupta is allegedly a drugs and weapon trafficker, and America alleges that he agreed to kill Pannun in exchange for being let off the hook in a criminal case for which he is booked here in India in Gujarat. He was arrested in Czech Republic and is awaiting extradition. Meanwhile, India today said that it is taking the matter seriously and that this is against Indian government policy.
Of course, such inputs very seriously, and a high-level inquiry committee has been constituted to look into all the relevant aspects of the matter, and necessary follow-up action will be taken based on the findings of the inquiry committee. You would have seen this in our statements that we have issued. We cannot share any further information on security matters. As regards the case against an individual that has been filed in a US court, allegedly linking him to an Indian official, this is a matter of concern. We have said, and let me reiterate, that this is also contrary to government policy. The nexus between organized crime, trafficking, gun running, and extremists at an international level is a serious issue for law enforcement agencies and organizations to consider. And it is precisely for that reason that a high-level inquiry committee has been constituted.
Now, the charges by United States, remember, come after Canada accused India of killing Khalistani terrorist Nijjar on their soil.